It's in your seat. Cover up the hole. Dang. This Mercury thing could go like that. You don't even need any. Okay, here's some boxes. Okay, I'll figure out balls. And then I gotta do this part. Then I got this paper that goes around it over there. This paper that goes around it, like the Christmas tree? Yeah. What's this paper around the Christmas tree? What's your mom got around hers? Not. Oh, tinsel. No, this thingy. Does it go under? Yeah. It goes. Well, we're going to decorate it, and then we'll do it. I plan on putting the presents. The presents goes on the tree. Kind of shape it out. It's actually kind of. That's got to go down. What? That one is higher than that one. That one's got to go down. The very top one, the green one. Okay, there you go. Okay, much better. I said to switch the green one with the pink one. Move that egg carton. Egg carton? Oh. It's in my picture. You get it over here. Yeah, I was gonna say, how's an egg carton in your photo? Guess what? I was watching Baby Animals before. Okay, what do y'all think? I like Christmas. Christmas. Well, we need to add the star. No! Ta-da! Get that off my silly boy. Y'all like
What?
Gotta go get another piece for that sink.
Oh, okay.
Need a new bag. The zipper's falling to the shit.
I'm just recording this cool ass motorcycle. One of the coolest ones I ever built. I still love it. I'm happy you got it. Alright, I'm fixing to unplug Shay. So she ain't got her TV, she ain't gonna have no lights, no power, no nothing. So I gotta replace this house battery. Let me get y'all in here so you can see how complicated this is. Got to move this relay out of the way. Without trying to light the world on fire. Alright, y'all remind me. Green wires on the left, yellow wires on the right. Don't try this at home. Now, just for information purposes, this relay switches the house battery, well, it joins the house battery to the chassis battery, but the only thing it does is gives you the ability to jump start yourself off of the house battery. Now, if the chassis battery is bad, that works good. If the house battery is bad, it don't do a dang thing. Alright. Which side was these wires on again? Alright, it was green on the left. That's what it was? You sure? Alright, just making sure. Green on the left. And yellow on the right, right? Okay. Where'd the other green one go? There we go. There's a green one. There's a green one. If we can get it on there. And then it was yellow on the right, right? You tell me. Y'all watching this stuff, you gotta keep me in line. I told you. See? I missed one because of you. You didn't tell me. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. You're supposed to talk to me here. If we start every conversation off the assumption that I'm an idiot, makes it a lot easier. Always connect your positive first. Alright. Here's the scary part. Now for the tap test. Tap test means if you tap this down to the terminal, if you see a big arc, don't connect it. See a little arc, yeah, it's okay. That just means you're powering something up. Now, sniff this. You smell something burning, pull this back off. Don't smell nothing. Now hook the chassis battery back up. Tap test it. Nothing. That's a good sign. Okay, both batteries hooked back up. Plug it in, see what happens. All right, we're live. Let's go get multimeter and see what we got. All right, cheap little multimeter. Very good investment. No, 14.02. The battery was actually a little bit low when we got it. All right. So it's a charging. Josh, go ahead and start the engine, please. Okay, no change. That's a good sign, because the battery's already full. Let's go check the chassis battery, see if it matches up. That's the chassis battery down there. $14.45. All right, relay ain't kicking in. That's a good thing. Now I gotta take this one back to O'Reilly's. See if the generator starts. Remember, prime it. Push the bottom first. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Now push the top. Cool! It works! Alright, so we're back to where we started.
It's definitely cold.
Yeah, it's definitely cold. It does that for about a minute until it steadies out. The choke that's on the generator ain't worked since my dad put it on there. There it goes. That's sounding good now. Always keep your promises.
I'm used to everything working.
go, David. One dead battery.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You bet.
You have a great day.
You too.
Well, let's get a look, see at this awning, see what the damage is. I don't know if y'all can see it. All that bare material right there where the sun's shining through. That's where it took a beating at 70 mile an hour when it came unraveled. For the second time. Alright, up here on the top, don't look like the roof took a beating from it too bad. But maybe you can see a little bit better where the awning took a beating up here. I gotta do something about that lock. That lock right there is not staying locked. So I think I got a couple of choices of what to do here. I think a pair of channel locks right there will lock that sucker down and not go anywhere. Be the worst case scenario, I guess. I'll put that blind spot mirror on there. Maybe, with a little luck, I can see a little better. That'll do the trick. You just gotta love old vehicles. But having to adjust that striker, a 33-year-old RV, not a bad problem. Talk to you later. Bye.